In today's video, I'll be showing you all the newest working Dress to Impress codes for the latest DTIX Cat's Eye update in May 2026. This brand new update has officially arrived, bringing tons of exciting content into the game. Players can now unlock stylish collaboration-themed accessories, fashionable outfits, and exclusive limited-time rewards. The best part is that all of these items can be claimed completely free by redeeming the newest active codes. These rewards are perfect for players who want to improve their outfits, stand out during fashion rounds, and make their character look even better in-game. Because many of these codes can expire without warning, make sure you redeem them as quickly as possible. Before we jump into the codes, I also have something special for all of you watching this video. To celebrate the DTIX Cat's Eye update, I'm giving away VIP game passes to a few lucky subscribers on this channel. If you want to enter the giveaway, here's what you need to do. First, leave a like on this video. Second, subscribe to the channel. Third, turn on notifications so you never miss future uploads. And finally, comment your Roblox username along with a short reason explaining why you want VIP access. The winners will be chosen randomly, so make sure you complete every step correctly because all entries will be checked carefully. Now let's talk more about this update. The developers have added plenty of brand new working codes that are currently active right now. These codes allow players to unlock free rewards such as exclusive fashion items, cool accessories, and other special cosmetics that can improve your gameplay experience. Some of these rewards may only be available for a limited time and could disappear in future updates, so it's important to redeem everything early before it's too late. One of the best things about these codes is that you can collect amazing items without spending any Robux or in-game currency, making them useful for both new and experienced players. All right, now without wasting any more time, let's check out all the newest working Dress to Impress DTIX Cat's Eye update codes for May 2026. Make sure you watch until the end of the video so you don't miss any important rewards or newly released codes. And finally, if any code doesn't work at first, don't panic. Try entering it again carefully and double-check your spelling. Even a tiny mistake, like an extra space or incorrect letter, can stop the code from redeeming properly. Now let's get started.